Bread. A simple daily food for millions. From white bread to brown bread. From maida rotis to so-called healthy chapatis. It's a staple in almost every household. But what if I told you that the bread you eat every morning may not be as innocent as it looks? This is the dark reality of bread, maida and roti. Bread has been part of human civilization for thousands of years, but modern bread, especially white bread and maida-based products, are not the same as the traditional loaves our ancestors made. In the race for soft texture, long shelf life and quick profits, something vital was lost: nutrition. Maida, the fine white flour used in most breads, biscuits and bakery products, comes from wheat. But in the process, the bran and germ, the two most nutritious parts of wheat, are completely removed. What's left behind is pure starch. Empty calories with no fiber, no vitamins, and no minerals. To make things worse, this flour is bleached using harmful chemicals like benzoyl peroxide or chlorine dioxide to give it that perfect white color. Every slice of white bread is not just a loss of nutrition, it's a slow attack on your body's metabolism. Brown bread is often marketed as healthy, but here's the shocking truth. In many cases, brown bread is nothing but white bread with added caramel color or molasses. The label may say whole wheat, but if you check the ingredients, maida is still the main component. Only a small percentage of real whole wheat is added, just enough to justify the label. So while you think you're making a healthy choice, you might just be buying another form of white bread in disguise. Regular consumption of maida and refined bread increases blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance, obesity, and diabetes. It also slows down digestion, causes acidity, and contributes to fatigue and mood swings. Maida-based foods are addictive. They give a quick energy rush, followed by a crash that makes you crave more. This is how food companies keep you hooked. In India, traditional rotis made from whole wheat atta were once the healthiest option. But even here, modern wheat is over-processed, and commercial atta often lacks essential fiber. If your roti dough is made from maida or mixed flour, you're losing the same nutrients that once made roti a superfood. So, what's the way out? Choose 100% whole wheat or multigrain flour. Read the labels carefully. Look for bread with no maida, no added sugar, and no artificial coloring. Or better, bake your own bread at home with real ingredients. Sometimes, the only way to trust your food is to make it yourself. Bread is not the enemy, ignorance is. Behind every slice lies a story of lost nutrition and hidden chemicals. The choice is in your hands, to keep following the processed path, or to return to the roots of real food.